Hi guys, this is Ramayana, and I'm starting this YouTube channel just for you guys for spreading more and more information about how a student pursuing BTech can improve his life during the BTech days, whether he's from a first year, second year, or third year college, and how he can apply for MTechs and work out for a better future. So let me first of all give you a small introduction about myself. I've already told you my name, and I've completed BTech this year only in 2020 as a mechanical engineer from Kanpur University. And I know it's not a very good college, but still, and I'll be continuing for my MTechs in BITS Pilani, Hyderabad campus. In the specialization field is thermal engineering. So let's begin. Uh, so my main motive of making this video is tell you guys about what are the mistakes that I did in my BTech days, and what are the good things that happened to me, what are the things that I did to make my future better, what are the things that I did to get selected in BITS to for a better MTech future and all. मैंने कुछ points बनाए यहाँ पे. I've made some points. This is my first video. This is just going to be an introductory video, and I'll tell you some important topics like about BITS. So I'll tell you some points about my previous college, what motivated me to go for MTechs, my GATE preparation, score, and I also cleared for GATE this year, but I didn't take admission through the GATE score. I appeared for the BITS HD, that's a higher degree test, and scored 147 marks in that, and got BITS Pilani thermal engineering. So I'll tell you benefits of BITS, ways to enter, how much I scored, that's already I have told, and how I prepared for BITS HD, procedures for after attending the test. Actually, major procedure starts only after attending the test, so I'll be sharing with you all the procedures, and many of the students have a little doubt in that. So let's start. My first point is that I've already introduced myself, so let's go to the about my previous college. My previous college was I've completed my BTech from Kanpur University as a mechanical engineer. So it was not a very good college, but yeah, it was a government college, and I got it through UP2 examinations after 12th. Uh, and I knew that placements are going to be very less from my college because of my seniors. I already got some मुझे पहले से ही एक्चुअली पता चल गया था थोड़ा सा, तो I knew कि the placements will not be very good, but still I managed to get two jobs, which was the best I think that any mechanical engineer from my college has. One was from sales, and the second one was from a mechanical company. So I chose not to join them because the sales job is like that. If you get into sales, you can't go back to the core branch which you have started your career for. And seriously have some interest in mechanical field, so I didn't want to go for sales and pursue MBA after that. So I dropped that idea. The package was a decent one, and in Asahi Glass Private Limited, yeah, it was basically a core job, but the package was around 3.2 3.3 lakhs, which they will be giving after the intern period, which was 6 months, and the internship stipend was also very less, about 12 to 15,000. So I didn't opt for that, and I wanted to study further for my MTechs, and I wanted to do PhD and become a professor. So I decided to go for MTechs, and actually PhD is if you see professor, being a professor is a nice job. You just have to give lectures and study and develop yourself a lot. So in PhDs and after PhDs, a professor develops himself rather than working for someone else. So in my opinion, I gave it a better preference. So everything depends on every person. I'm not pointing out someone that it's wrong or right. It's just my opinion. So uh, after third year, I came to know about GATE for MTech because I started looking कि आगे क्या करना चाहिए मुझे. So I came to know about GATE, and my seniors have also, some seniors have cracked GATE with a nice score of 62, 60, 63, 62 I guess, yes. So I started preparing for GATE and my preparation was not up to mark because of the actually the mid semester was in the month of December, and my final year project was also to be submitted in January, and the examination was on 1st February. So I submitted my project on 11 Jan, I remember, and after that continuous 19 days I worked very hard. matlab, I didn't get out of my room also, so I studied a lot and prepared for the test. After the test, I gave it on 1st Feb, and I scored 43.3 marks. So it was around 483 score. I don't remember exactly. It has been 9 months, 8 months, I guess. So it was 483, and after that I appeared for the counselings in NITs. I applied for IIT Roorkee. I got in IIT Roorkee. I got Advanced Hydro Energy Center, which was not a good branch to join. But yes, it was IIT Roorkee, old IIT. So I thought I should go for it. But after talking to my seniors, after talking to the students studying there, they said कि placements are very less, and you can't rely on placements. मतलब you have to forcefully do the PhD. तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, एक ऑप्शन होना चाहिए कि नहीं, प्लेसमेंट भी है, PhDs के लिए भी जा सकते हैं. तो आई डोंट फील बाउंडेड बाय दैट. मुझे ऑप्शंस मिलने चाहिए. मतलब इफ़ आई डोंट गेट इनटू PhDs, इफ़ आई डोंट स्कोर वेल इन माय MTechs, so I don't get PhD obviously, so I can go for a placement. But placements was not there, so I dropped the idea of joining it. Then I came to know about NIT spot counseling. Actually, if you have given GATE, or if you are giving GATE, next year you can, if you have a less score like me, 43 or either 40, if you got, you should go for NIT spot counseling, which happen after the CCMT counselings of NIT. Actually, it is the spot round counselings. So the scores in that counseling are very, very less, and you have to first give the first semester fees, that is 43,000, and if you don't get any seat, no worries, they will refund you the money within 1 or 2 months. Actually, my money is still pending, and I will be getting it in on 18th October, they have said. So no worries about the money. They'll return it back if in case you don't get any seat. So this was all, and I go in NIT spot round counseling. I got NIT Patna, NIT Bhopal I got stress and vibrations. Patna I got manufacturing. So I decided to go for Patna, but still it remains the same. Placements were very less. In a batch of 19, I inquired about it from the seniors. So in the batch of 19, only 4 to 5 students got placed. Many of them were preparing for GATE again for the next years. I will be making a dedicated video on this. In 1 week I'll upload it, and if you guys ask in the comment or anything, I'll make every video whichever you want. So in NIT Patna I got manufacturing, and due to less placements I also decided not to go for it. So I came to know about BITS in month of April, and I knew that the placements were very good in BITS. Actually, it's if you check out BITS Pilani, there are 3 campuses: BITS Pilani campus, BITS Pilani Goa campus, and BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. And people have a doubt that BITS Pilani is the best, but the 3 campus have the same name, BITS Pilani. When you will be getting a degree after your MTech or BTech, it will be named only BITS Pilani, and it only differs in campus. So all of the 3 are called that BITS Pilani only. Only the difference is the campus name. So people have this doubt, and I also had this doubt. But after joining BITS, my doubts were cleared, and I got to know everything about it. So, and thermal branch is only in Hyderabad campus, not in Pilani campus, not in Goa campus. So I decided to join Hyderabad campus. I got it in the first counseling only, first iteration, which is called iteration, and there are 5 iterations total. My score was good, so I got it in the first one only, and it was my first preference too. So I came to know about the BITS HD, BITS higher degree test, in the month of April, and I prepared for that, and I'll tell you in another video how I prepared for that, what are the strategies to how to prepare, because I got a time period of 6 months, so I made my strategy and went for it. Now I'll tell you something about, I have told you about my GATE preparation. It was not good. My GATE score, it was a decent one, but not compared to above, it was below 50. And colleges I got with that score also, I've told how I came to know about BITS. Yeah, benefits of BITS. Yeah. So why I decided to go for BITS? I told you that it has a very good placement, and the NIRF and in the MTech rankings of colleges in India, it stands at the 5th position. Above that are IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT. There are only IITs, I guess. NIT Calicut and Trichy is also there, I think. Yeah. So on the 5th or 6th position, it stands for MTechs, and not for the complete BTech. So in BTech it has a little less ranking. So, and the first benefit was this. Second was that the placements are good as compared to IITs. Yes, if you want placements, you can go for BITS. If you want higher studies, you can go for IITs and the old ones only, not the new ones. So, and two benefits are these. And the third benefit that I like the most is the caste reservation system. See, I'm not going to hurt anyone. I'm not commenting about anyone, but it's my personal opinion that अगर I'll elaborate it. हाँ, अगर कुछ बच्चे तैयारी कर रहे हैं, all of them get the same resources. Everyone is getting the same resources. मेरे क्लास में बच्चे थे मेरे, their parents are earning एंड दे हैव नो लिमिटेशंस कि पैसे नहीं है, ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. फिर भी उन बच्चों को केवल कास्ट के बेसिस पे मेरे से कम नंबर लाके मेरे से अच्छा कॉलेज मिल जाता है. तो आई डेंट लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन सिस्टम इन इंडिया. एंड only BITS is the college in India that neither promotes caste reservation, neither promotes state reservation. So this was the fact you can say that I like the most about BITS. And in 2004, I guess, I don't remember the exact year, but you can check it out on Quora or anywhere, that IITs came to BITS and they asked them to convert it into IITs, because they don't have in this Pilani or other like IIT Hyderabad is made just now. So if the BITS people agreed, BITS Hyderabad would have been called IIT Hyderabad just now, but it didn't happen because BITS strictly said that if you eliminate the caste and state reservation quota, we'll then only convert it into IITs. So IIT didn't agree for that, and yeah, you can see now what happened. So, and the fourth benefit of BITS is the 0% attendance policy, that you choose to make your own timetable, and you only decide whether I should go for this class or whether I should not go for this class. So yes, and BITS focuses on the overall development of the student. You actually जो आपका क्लास में पीयर ग्रुप मिलेगा वो सेम उतने ही मार्क्स लाके मिलेगा. मतलब अगर आप मेरे 147 है तो ऐसा कोई बच्चा नहीं होगा क्लास में जिसके 120 125 ऐसा कुछ होगा. मतलब हम सारे ही उतने ही तेज़ होंगे, कोई रिजर्वेशन कुछ नहीं है, वी ऑल आर द सेम. और दूसरी चीज़ कि बिट्स जो है वो ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट पे फोकस करता है. एंड बहुत सारे क्लब्स हैं, कोडिंग क्लब्स हैं, यू कैन जॉइन एनी क्लब, यू कैन जॉइन स्विमिंग क्लब ऑल्सो. और जो हम लोगों का फेस्ट होता है वो भी स्टूडेंट्स ही ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं सारा खुद, सब कुछ स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं. द स्पॉन्सरशिप, द फंडिंग, द talks, everything students organize, and no higher faculty or no vendors are included in this. So, and BITS Pilani campus organizes the largest student organized fest in Asia, that's the Oasis. So these are some of the important facts and benefits that I like about BITS, and it depends on you guys which branch you want to choose. So you can go for BITS Pilani. Design is in all of the three, I guess. Yes, BITS Pilani, Hyderabad and Goa. So you can decide which branch to choose. I wanted thermal, so I liked heat transfer, fluid dynamics and all, so I went for thermals. These were the benefits. और हाँ, you can say that they are far better from the NITs. Yeah, they have they can be compared with IITs. Some of the IITs are even better. I believe, yeah, IIT Bombay, Delhi, Kanpur, Roorkee is better even. But they are far better from the NITs because of the placements and because of the overall development, because of the reservation criteria and everything. A reservation criteria should be there for the people who are thinking that I am opposing it, but it should be given to the people who are underprivileged, whose parents are not earning. So my opinion is this. Now let's move on to In bits also there is one more benefit that I also like very much, that is bits में हम लोगों का फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में you have to choose between an intern और a thesis, जो कि इंडिया में आई थिंक नहीं है किसी कॉलेज, या एक दो कॉलेजेस में हो सकता है, बट एज फार एज आई हैव सर्च एंड गूगल्ड इट, IT, even in IT, actually my जीजा जी is in IIT Bombay, so he also told me about these things. So वहाँ पे इंटर्न का ऑप्शन नहीं होता, वहाँ पे थीसिस या फिर प्रोजेक्ट बनाना होता है. हम लोगों के ऑप्शंस होते हैं इंटर्न, जैसे हमारे बैच से मर्सिडीज में कुछ बच्चे गए थे इंटर्न करने, एंड आउट ऑफ 4 3 गॉट PPOs देयर एंड देयर ओनली. So you can choose between an intern and a thesis, so it's also a good option. And there are, now I am going to tell you about some ways to enter BITS. First I told that BITS, I am telling you about only the MTech programs, not the BTech, and MTech is called as ME there. So there are only 2 ways to enter. 50% of the seats are reserved for the GATE students, that if you, and for the GATE in thermal you have to score 60 plus, so only you will be getting BITS. Thermal engineering, other branches I don't know because I've only inquired about thermals. So yeah, for GATE you have to score 60 plus, and the second way is that I joined BITS HED, BITS higher degree test. There are only 2 ways that I have told. So next one is how much I scored. I've already told I scored 147, which was a decent score, and I got in the best branch I think. So it actually depends. If you go for Pilani design, I think it should be higher, but I don't know. My first preference was thermal, so I got that. Procedure after attending the test, yeah. So this is a very crucial point for the people appearing for BITS. सबसे पहले आपका BITS का HD टेस्ट आप दोगे, उसके बाद तुरंत स्क्रीन पे रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाएगा कि कितने मार्क्स आए हैं. और वहाँ पे एक्चुअली मैंने जब दिया था तो आई कैन सी, मतलब सारे बच्चे एकदम खुश हो के आए थे, और जैसे ही रिजल्ट आया सबका आधे, मतलब आप चेहरे से बता सकते हो किसका हुआ है किसका नहीं, बट स्टिल मेरा चेहरा मतलब ठीक था कि इतना मैं खुश नहीं हुआ था, बिकॉज आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग अराउंड 160. लास्ट ईयर द कट ऑफ वर 162 बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड एंड पीपल हैव सम this financial problem, so most of them have not joined I think. So I was a lucky one among them, or else I would be joining design or some other branch, but no problem, God plays the best role for you. So I मतलब मेरे को लगा था थोड़ा सा नहीं मिलेगा शायद थर्मल, बट स्टिल BITS HED का पेपर हुआ, सब कुछ हुआ, एंड देन आफ्टर 15 days the counseling started. I think after 8 days only the counseling started. So they are very fast and मतलब प्राइवेट है, फीस अच्छी है, सब कुछ है, अच्छा कॉलेज है, यू विल नेवर हैव टू कंप्लेन अदर देन द फीस. लेकिन इंटर्न मिलती है वहाँ पे 14,000 तक मिल जाता है, 13,400. TA के लिए अप्लाई करना पड़ता है, तो 3.5 लाख लोग लौटा देते हैं उसमें से. तो उसके बाद काउंसलिंग हुआ, फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों का रिजल्ट आया. मेरा इटरेशन 1 इज़ ओनली फॉर द गेट स्टूडेंट्स, तो इटरेशन 1 में मेरा नहीं हुआ था. मैंने गेट स्कोर से, मुझे पता था नहीं मिलेगा, 60 प्लस नहीं आया, मेरा 43.3 था. उसके बाद फिर मेरे को इटरेशन 2 में आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि अभी नहीं मिलेगा, अभी कुछ छोटा ब्रांच मिलेगा, उसके बाद शायद इटरेशन 5 तक मिले मेरे को, टोटल 5 काउंसलिंग. लेकिन आई वॉज शॉक कि इटरेशन 2 मतलब मेरा पहला इटरेशन था, एंड आई गॉट BITS हैदराबाद थर्मल, BITS पिलानी हैदराबाद कैंपस थर्मल इंजीनियरिंग. सो आई वॉज द लकी वन आई गेस बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड. सो कोविड हैज़ नॉट प्लेड, मतलब सबके लिए बुरा नहीं था, मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा लकी हो गया थोड़ा सा. और कोविड ने मुझे प्रिपरेशन का भी टाइम दिया, मुझे जानने का भी टाइम दिया कि विच फील्ड आई लाइक, और अपने ऊपर टाइम स्पेंड करने का मौका दिया. तो दिस वॉज ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो, एंड आई होप यू गाइज लाइक्ड इट. और कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके देखो, आई रिप्लाई टू ऑल. और कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो कि बीटेक में मतलब क्या क्या किया, एमटेक में क्या क्या किया. एक्चुअली माई लाइफ हैज़ बीन फुल ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन, सो आई हैव अ वेरी गुड मतलब एक्सपीरियंस कि लाइफ कितना बुरा हो सकता है और लाइफ कितना अच्छा हो सकता है, दोनों. तो यू कैन आस्क मी गाइड, यू कैन आस्क मी ऑल. बस इतना ही था. अब मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. ओके, बाय बाय.